Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome to my channel, Learn Math with Sayyid Ali. So we are continuing our topic, angle properties in a triangle. And the question here is, draw the lines and find the measure of the angles as indicated. So the first part of this lesson is some kind of the triangle is given. Let's say its name is also given. ABC is the name of the triangle, right? And this corner is 35 degree and this corner is given as 65 degree. What question is saying now? Draw the line and find the measure of the angle. And question is saying draw line BD. What is your A part? Draw line BD, right? Draw the line from B onto AC, right? This line will be from B onto AC and making an angle of 30 degree. Making an angle of 30 degree. So draw line BD, or you can say draw line from B to cut line AC at D. So I have now BD, right? So the question can be asked in different ways. It can say that draw line BD making an angle of 30 degree, or draw the line from B to cut AC at D making an angle of 30 degree. Making an angle of 30 degree, right? So this is the question, and what we need to find out, is angle ABC is unknown to me, and angle ADB is unknown to me. So these are the two requirements. These are the two parts of this question that find out these angles. Now we draw the line BD, which is making an angle of 30 degree already. We have 65. So we can find out this is, we can see that this is 90. Oh, it's not 90 because if you add them, this is 60 plus 30, 65 plus 30. 65 plus 30 is how much? 115, right? Sorry, 30, right? So 95. What do we have? 95. And if we subtract 95 from 180, subtract from 180, 95 from 180, so it will be not 90, it will be 85, right? So 85 degree. So this is what question is asking, right? ADB. So this is the angle which is required in the question, and I am solving it here underneath. So I said, okay, add these two angles, which is 65 plus 30, and then subtract it from 180, which we learned in the last lecture, that sum of all three angles in any triangle is 180. So I subtract 180 minus 95, which gives me angle ADB. So I fill up one of them, which is 85 degree. And now one more question is ABC. If I read ABC, that is in the bigger triangle, and I can calculate it here, that okay, 65 plus 35. 65 plus 35 is 100, right? And I have to subtract from 180 minus 100, which is equals to 80 degree. So ABC is 80 degree. So we answered both questions, right? So that is how we use the property. And what was the property? The sum of all three angles in any triangle is always 180. Let's try another question. So the another question is like this. Let's say this is the triangle, and the name of the triangle is FG, and he's saying drop a perpendicular, right, from F onto EG to make an angle of 20 degree. So we drop a perpendicular, or we drop a line. So this is E from F to FH, which is making an angle of 20 degree, right? Before we have given that this is 70 degree, and we are given that this EF is equals to FG. So these all information is very important. Here it is given that EF is equals to FG, and also angle G is equals to 70, right? So now what we need, the question is asking that find out if you drop this line, and which is FH making an angle of 20 degree, right? We have to figure it out that what my angle GFH and angle EHF. Students are advised to concentrate on the diagram and see that what they can make use of, right? So now here we have the 70 degree known, right? If one is 70, other must be 70, right? Why? Because these two sides are equal. They are isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle has got two angles. Like if this is 70, this is also 70, right? So this is one of the things which we need to know, because this dash on EF and FG is telling me that EF is equals to FG. So the included angles are also equal. So this is also equals to angle E. And what I need to figure it out is angle GFH. GFH, right? So this angle is unknown. GFH is this angle in the smaller triangle, where I know one of the angle is 70, right? And this is a right perpendicular. FH is right perpendicular, right? So what this equals to? GFH. So you can see that, you can put it here as your proof that 70 plus 90 is 160, and the property is 180 is the sum of all three angles minus 160 is equals to 20 degree. So I can fill this up as 20 degree again. So this is small angle, which is GFH, is 20 degree. Now the other part of this question is find out EHF. So EHF. So that means we are looking for this angle, right? So if this angle is 70, you know that angle E is 70. So I can put it here for the proof that one angle is 70, other is given as 20, which is equals to 90. So 180 minus 90 will gives me back 90. So that means that H angle is 90 degree. So this way we calculate all the angles which were required to calculate, right? Similarly, we can have another question or another example. Here is this kind of picture, which is like this: X, Y, Z, W, and he's saying make a line which joins W and Y. It joins W and Y. The things given are 44 degree here, and we need to know the two angles, right? This is 90. So once you know, and again this is equals to this. If this side as ZW is equals to ZY, that means the included angle should be same. That means that should be 44 degree. If Z is 44, that means the other included angle between the two lines will be same, right? Will be like 44 degree, right? So what we are looking at is this. In this question, what we are looking at is angle. Find out angle WYZ, angle WYZ, and angle X, Y, W. Now we will read where these angles are. W, Y, Z. W, Y, Z. So we are looking for this angle, right? And X, Y, W. X, Y, W. So we are looking for this angle, right? So these two angles are required, right? So since we know that this angle is 44 degree, right? So this angle, this angle will also be 44 degree, right? And that the other angle is 90 degree, right? So that 90, you can do the math and then check your answers. I will write here answers for you in the blanks, and you will give me your answers or feedback by email. So this is 22 degree, right? These two angles are now known. So in this way, we do some of the angle properties in a triangle, and we should remember that sum of all the angles in any triangle is always 180 degree. We will do some more practice on this topic. If you like the video, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon button, share it with your friends and family friends. Maybe they are looking for some educational stuff. Thank you for watching.